Hot corners let you quickly trigger important actions by pointing your mouse at a corner of the screen. Open System Preferences. Go to the Desktop and Screensaver category and make sure you're in the Screensaver tab. Click on the button for hot corners. For each corner of your screen, set an action that you want to trigger. You do not have to set an action for every corner if you don't want. Point your mouse cursor at a corner of your screen to trigger the action that you've assigned. Launchpad gives you a list of all of your applications and you can launch them from here. Point at the same corner again to go back. The desktop option clears all windows so you can see your desktop. And Mission Control tiles out all of your open application windows so you can choose which one you want to be active. Feel free to set your own hot corners using any of the options from this list.